Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage who can share your clips on Twitch. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Did anyone clip that? Clip allow you and your viewer to capture and share the most uniquely Twitch moment from broadcast. Post clip of your top stream moment to social media to give the new viewer a sense of what your channel is all about and bring them back to your next stream. So, and also, we can share your friends, anyone on Twitch can share your clips on their story. But now, what if you don't want anyone can share your clips on their story? How to manage you can share your clips on story? It's so simple. So first we have to open our Twitch. Now you can just go to your profile by tap on the bottom right here. Now you can go to settings by tap on account setting in here. There is an option security and password. You can just tap on that. Now you can just scroll down until you find there is an option story clips sharing. And here by default, everybody on Twitch can share your clips. But you can manage by tapping here. You can choose if you only want people you follow that can share your clips, you can just choose on people I follow. But if you don't want anyone share your clips on their story, you can just choose on nobody. So nobody on Twitch can share your clips on their story on Twitch. Also simple, right? So that is how to manage who can share your clips on their story on Twitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.